I see you in a lonely place. How could you be?
Hi everyone, welcome to my humble abode. I recently moved into a new apartment about 3 months ago, and while it's not yet perfect, I just wanted to share my room with you.
You're still regretting the love you left.
So when you first walk into my room from the living room, this is what you see. I just wanted to make sure that I felt peaceful every single time that I entered. So you'll see that I don't have much furniture, just because I wanted to make sure that it was as clutter-free as possible. That painting is something that I made when a friend and I had a paint night not too long ago, and I just decided to hang it up in my room because I thought it would add some character. I got this side table from Urban Outfitters, and I was just looking for a light wood table, so this was perfect. I keep a lot of chargers in here, as well as face wipes for those times when I'm just being a little bit too lazy to wash my face. And I keep my Bible on top, which I got from Amazon, and I just love it because it also has a note section on every page for journaling. And then on the table, I also just keep an air plant.
Left behind. Oh, darling, you're still.
So one thing in my room that I really love is this huge antique gold mirror, and I was just looking for something that had that antique vintage feel, and this mirror was perfect. Across from my bed and right by the door, I have this clothing rack with some pieces that I love. I keep a lot of my purses on the door just so I can grab and go. This clothing rack was like $9 from IKEA, and it definitely should be thrown out by now because it hardly stands straight, but it just hasn't been a big priority of mine to replace it yet. I love this print from Society 6. I think that it's just so beautiful.
You're still regretting the love.
Even though it's winter currently, I feel like these summer prints and colors just give me life.
Oh, darling.
So to the right of my clothing rack might be my favorite section of my room. I hung up this print, which is also from Society 6. I just hung up this string light bulb, and I definitely made one too many holes in my ceiling, but this light is so great. I just didn't really want any lamps in my room because I thought it would take up space, so this has just worked great for me.
Oh, darling, I see.
I cannot rave enough about my yellow couch. This is my all-time favorite piece of furniture. The yellow is my favorite color, and I just feel like this couch was honestly worth every single penny. And by my couch, I keep a woven basket full of hair scarves. A great part of this room is the 2 closets, but I'm still figuring out how to best maximize the closet space. I hung up this piece that I actually took from my parents' house, which is from Nigeria, but this guy's face low-key freaked me out for a bit. So in my last apartment, my closet for a year was actually the coat closet out in the living room because I didn't have an actual closet in my own room. So I'm just so thankful to God that my current rent is cheaper than my last apartment, but now I have 2 closets in my room and a bathroom. I also have this portable desk that I use anytime that I'm sitting on my couch and doing work. So in one closet, I keep most all of my clothes, and then I also keep like my socks and all that stuff. And then in the other closet, I keep my work clothes on one side and then a shoe rack on the other side. So next up is the bathroom, and like I mentioned before, my roommate and I have separate bathrooms, but I'm really struggling to decorate this. I have no idea like what color rug to get and all of that stuff, so if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know because I'd love to hear it, because it's been 3 months and I still don't have my bathroom together. Like, I still haven't even picked out a trash can yet. Alright guys, that is about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that I got to share this because I'm really happy with how my room is right now. And yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!